Hello student, good morning. Today we have to learn about the chapter alcohol, phenol and ethers. First of all we learn about the alcohol and phenol. Alcohol and phenol are formed when the hydrogen atom in the hydrocarbon chain or aliphatic system and aromatic system is replaced by OH group. As for example, we take any hydrocarbon chain means this is your hydrocarbon chain. This carbon is contain the 3 hydrogen. One hydrogen of this hydrocarbon chain or aliphatic system is replaced by a OH group and it is called as a alcohols. Means when one hydrogen is replaced by this OH group from hydrocarbon chain, aliphatic system or aromatic system, it form the alcohol and phenol. This is the example of the alcohol. Means here we take the aliphatic system. Aliphatic system is also write as a R and aliphatic alcohol is write as a ROH. R means aliphatic system. Aliphatic system means longest carbon chain or hydrocarbon chain. Then second is the phenol. What is the phenol? When aromatic chain, when aromatic system is the hydrogen of this aromatic system is replaced by OH group and it form the phenol. Means when the hydrogen of the aromatic system is replaced by is substituted by the OH group and form the phenol. Then we know what is the use of these alcohol and phenols. First use is the ordinary spirit. Ordinary spirit, it is the used as a polishing wooden फर्नीचर. यानी कि जो भी फर्नीचर है वुडन का फर्नीचर उसको पॉलिश करने के लिए हम जो भी लिक्विड का यूज करते हैं वो है आपका ऑर्डिनरी स्पिरिट एंड दिस ऑर्डिनरी स्पिरिट इज द इथेनॉल. देन सेकेंड इज द व्हेन वी eat sugar and this sugar is also have a OH group. Then cotton is made up of cellulose and this cellulose is also have a OH group. Then third is the pepper is made up of this cellulose and these cellulose have a OH group. These cellulose have a OH group. Means the uses of alcohol are four. First, it is a use as an ordinary spirit for the polishing of the wooden furniture and it is the ordinary spirit is the ethanol. Then second is the sugar. Sugar is also contain the OH group. Then cotton, it is also containing OH group and pepper is also containing the OH group. Then we learn about the definition of alcohol. Alcohol is contain the one or more hydroxyl or a OH group that are directly attached to the carbon atom of the aliphatic system. Means if we have a one, we take one aliphatic system like this, the OH group is directly attached to this carbon atom of this aliphatic system, and this aliphatic system contain the one or more OH group. Means what is the alcohol? It contains the one or more hydroxyl group. This hydroxide, one or more hydroxyl group or OH group that are directly attached to the carbon atom of an aliphatic system. मीन्स जो भी एलिफेटिक सिस्टम्स है उसके कार्बन एटम के साथ में जो भी OH ग्रुप है वो डायरेक्टली अटैच्ड होता है. देन सेकेंड इज द फिनोल. Phenol is also contain the OH group, and this OH group is directly attached to the carbon atom of the aromatic system. Like this, we have one aromatic system and OH group is directly attached to the carbon of this aromatic system. It is called as a phenol. Then we know what is the nature of alcohol. We have to learn about the nature of the alcohol, because in this chapter we have to learn the phenol, alcohol and ether. That's why here we learn about the nature of alcohol. First of all the alcohol are poisonous in nature, but the exception is ethanol. You know what is the formula of the ethanol? C2H5OH. It is the non-poisonous in nature. Except these, all the alcohol are poisonous in nature. And these poisonous characteristics is increases with increasing of the molecular masses or branching of any hydrocarbon chain. When we increase the molecular mass of any hydrocarbon chain or we add any branch of that hydrocarbon chain, poisonous of that hydrocarbon is increased. Means when you increment the molecular mass or branching of any alcohol, the poisonous character is increases. Nature. In this chapter we have to learn about the nature of alcohol. First is the alcohol are poisonous in nature. Means when you increase the molecular masses or branching of any hydrocarbon chain, the poisonous character is increased. Means if you increment any hydrocarbon chain or you have to add any branch also, the poisonous character of that particular alcohol is increases. Then second is the ethanol. It is the exception and which is a non-poisonous in nature. But the methanol is also poisonous in nature, and propanol is also poisonous in nature, but except the ethanol. Ethanol is a non poisonous in nature, and this methanol is cause the blindness. Then second well known alcohol is a rubbing alcohol, and this rubbing alcohol is isopropyl alcohol. This rubbing alcohol is also used in a cosmetic and medicinal use. And then next is a cholesterol. Cholesterol is also alcohol. Cholesterol is also contain the OH group, and it causes the heart attack. That's why it is also called as a notorious alcohol. First is the rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is the isopropyl alcohol, and cholesterol is also contain the OH group. It is also alcohol, and it cause the heart attack. And the name of this cholesterol is notorious alcohol. And ethanol. Ethanol is a liquid while glucose is a solid. Here ethanol is also contain the OH group. Glucose is also contain the OH group, but ethanol is a liquid form, is in the liquid form, and glucose is in the solid form. Why? Because glucose is contain the more intermolecular hydrogen bonding, means glucose is contain the strong hydrogen bonding, while ethanol is not contain the more strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. That's why here glucose is in the solid form and ethanol is in the liquid form. And most importantly, all the alcohol are neutral substances toward the litmus paper. All are neutral substances toward the litmus paper. As for example, you take the any acid. Is acid turn the blue litmus paper into red, and if you take any base turn the red litmus paper into blue. But these all the alcohol are neutral substances, means they do not react with this litmus paper, and they do not give any colored reaction, means they do not turn the blue litmus paper into red or red litmus paper into blue. That's why these all the alcohol are neutral substances. Then most importantly, lower member containing up to 12 carbon atom are a liquid, means if you take a C1 to C12 alcohol, all these alcohol are liquid in character, and the higher member of the all the alcohol are solid in character, and the higher member of the all the alcohol are almost odorless. And it means C12 to higher member of the all the alcohol are solid in character, and all the alcohol are odorless. But the C1 to C12 all the alcohol are liquid in character, and they have a particular odor. It is the basic introduction of the alcohol and phenol. In the next lecture, we have to learn about the classification of this alcohol and phenol. And in the last portion, we have to learn about the ether.